It's been more than 7 years since Ben Woodburn became Liverpool's youngest ever goalscorer, and 4 years since his last Wales cap. Now 25, the former teenage prodigy is rebuilding his career in League Two with Salford City, and he says he's finally enjoying football again. Woodburn's name returned to the headlines earlier this season when his long-standing Liverpool record was broken by Rio Ngumoha, who scored a dramatic 100th minute winner against Newcastle at just 16 years and 361 days old. Woodburn had set the record back in 2016, scoring against Leeds United aged 17 years and 45 days. "I didn't love it, but I was really happy for him," he said. "He looks like he could be one of the best wingers in the world, so hopefully he can kick on and do that." Life after the early breakthrough proved challenging. Injuries and difficult loan spells stalled his progress. After leaving Anfield with stops at Sheffield United, Oxford, Blackpool, Hearts and Preston North End. "I went on a few loans where I didn't play as many games as I needed to," he admitted. "When you're not playing together and other kids are, they're going to get better and better. It's hard to get going again after getting injured and not really playing." Since joining Salford City last year, Woodburn has found stability, hitting his 50th appearance for the Ammies. "It's been good for me. I'm living at home, enjoying my football. The fans and the manager, I've always been at my best when I'm playing regularly. When I'm in rhythm, that's when I play my best football." Promotion is the aim this season, and Woodburn believes Salford has the squad to achieve it. The Welshman also hopes his return to form can revive his international career under Craig Bellamy. "They're doing really well. It would definitely be something I'd try to get back in, but there are some good players at the minute. If we can get out of this league, I've probably got a better chance," he said. After years of setbacks, Woodburn is finally settled, enjoying the game again, and he's not just playing football, he's rediscovering his passion and purpose.